you're looking to make some money moves in 2018, you might want to listen up here because you might need to start by reassessing your W-4 after tax reform went into place at the start of the year. So we got something real important for you. Financial professional Cathy Dewitt Dunn joining us now here in studio. Cathy, explain why it is that we're telling folks here that they may want to take another look at specifically their withholdings.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of people right now are getting large tax refunds, or they're hoping to.
Right.
You know, and I think one of the things is you have to realize is that means that you overpaid the government, and the government's had your money for an entire year and is not being paying interest on it.
Right, right. And some folks may not know that that's the way it works. They think it's like a little bonus or something they're getting, right? But that's not the case.
Yeah, it's not the case at all. And there's some people, too, that under withheld. So they're actually having to write a check to the government. So what you really want to do is make sure that you have all of your withholding done correctly, because the goal is at tax time is that you have actually paid into your liability the amount that you owe.
Right.
And if you have overpaid or underpaid, you might want to just go into your HR department and say, I need to fill out a W-4 and I need to adjust my withholding.
Okay, and that's something that people should be doing immediately. Right?
Oh, immediately, okay. Especially if you're getting a large refund or you're having to pay in.
Okay, great. What other money moves can we be making in 2018?
You know, one of the things that's a little bit alarming is the Fed is going to be raising interest rates, we know, for maybe 3 times this year. So that's really going to stimulate our economy. So if you're taking a look at what's going to happen, if you're looking to buy a home, or you want to do it now, because mortgage rates may increase up to over 5%.
That's probably something that a lot of people are not considering right now.
They're not, especially since we've had such low rates over the last few years.
Right, and that's really important, especially here in North Texas with so many people racing to buy homes out there. Let's talk a little bit about 2017 and the filings that people are doing right now. By the way, I still have to do mine. So this one is, I'm listening especially for this one. What should people be doing as far as maybe any changes that we can expect for the filing this year?
Right, so right now as you're doing your 2017 taxes, nothing has changed, but going forward, you know, well, 17 might be the last year that you can actually itemize, so you want to take a look at that. But the great news, depending upon your situation, is in 2018, the standard deduction has almost nearly doubled for a married couple, going from $12,700 to $24,000. Yeah. So you won't be probably itemizing your taxes in 2018, but nothing has changed as you're preparing your taxes for last year.
Okay, so this will be the last time that we can do it the way we've been used to doing it the past couple of years.
That's correct.
Before things change. Okay, all right, Cathy. Thanks so much for joining us here and for sharing that with us. Of course, you can find a link to an IRS tax worksheet that helps you, and you can learn whatever you need to know about the withholdings. That's on our website, cbsdfw.com. So, Cathy, thank you again for joining us. Appreciate your time. Thank you. Kaylee?
Helpful.